On your browser, search Manim install and click the first link and then click installing Manim locally. We need PowerShell to install Manim locally. Search for Windows PowerShell and open it. Now let's copy this execution policy bypass and let's paste it on PowerShell by pressing Ctrl V. So everything's installed. We'll install the Python later, so skip the step 1 now. Step 2 is installing latex. This is optional, but if you want to get the full function from Manim, we need to install the latex. So for that, let's click this one, Mictex download, and here we can click the download button. Download is complete, so let's open this. Tick this one and click next, 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 and start. Once the installation is done, we can click the next button, next, and close it. Search for Mictex console and open it. If you get a message like already running, you can find it on system tray and then you can restore it, so you'll get a window like this. And here click the check for updates. Now let's click this one, updates page, and then click update now. So update in progress. The update installation is complete, so click the OK button. Now let's go back to our browser and click to go back. So this is our previous Manim installation guide. Now we can do the step 3, installing Manim. Let's copy this execution policy. Step 3 is installing Manim. For that, let's copy this and paste it on PowerShell. Paste anyway and press enter again. Manim installation is successful. To run Manim, we need Visual Code. Search Visual Code on Google and click the first link. You can click this one, download for Windows. Once the download is complete, we can install Visual Code. Click I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. Enable this one, create a desktop icon. Next, install. And finish this. Once the installation is done, it will automatically open Visual Code. Go to extensions and search for Python install. So this will install the latest version of Python and it will also install the pylines. And make sure to tick this one, auto update. This is the last version, 2025-6.18. Search for Manim side view. Using this extension, you can view your animation before rendering. Install. Click Trust Publisher and install. Click this one, go to setting. We need to change the default Manim path. Let's go to the Manimation folder. Click this one, scripts. Right click this one, copy as path. Let's paste it here. Don't forget to remove the quotation marks. Now let's close it. To run a code, we need an interpreter. So to select an interpreter, go to the bottom right corner of the Visual Code. Click this one, enter interpreter path, and you can browse your file. Go to system and your users folder and select your username and go to the Manimation folder and click this one and go to the scripts and select Python and select interpreter. Now you can see that interpreter is selected. Let's create our first project. Click open folder. Go to the Manim installation location. Click add. Yes. Let's create a new file. I'm going to name it as sub.py. Py stands for Python. First we need to import the Manim library. So from Manim import and asterisk, press enter. In second line, type class sub open parentheses, use uppercase letter S, scene, close the parentheses. At the end, put colon, press enter. In third line, construct open parentheses self and colon at the end. Now let's create the text uppercase T, text open parentheses in quotation mark, subscribe to Sestio. Now let's animate our text. Self.play open parentheses, write another parenthesis text, press enter. Self.wait open parentheses, let's put 2 seconds and press the enter. Now let's run our code. There is no error in the code. I'm not explaining this coding deeply because this is not a Manim coding tutorial video. This is just a Manim installation guide. If you want me to make a video about Manim coding tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. Now let's run the side view. This is our script, so let's click this one. Now we got our animation. If you want to get MP4 file, go to media, videos. This is our script, sub 1080p 60 frames, and here you can open it using your media player.